going to tell you the recipe of this bottle gourd, means Loki. First of all, I want to tell you the benefits of Loki. This is also very beneficial for the kids too. First benefit is bottle gourd for skin care, promotes weight loss, treats urinary problems, control the blood sugar, stress reduces, provides relief from constipation, also keeps body cool, refreshing. It reduces the hypertension, keeps your heart healthy. So you people must try this Loki to your children's. Now I am going to tell you a very easy and very delicious recipe to cook this Loki. In this we use ingredients. We take this size of Loki. This one piece of Loki. For this Loki we take one tomato, in big size, one onion in big size, 3 or 4 chilies. It depends on you, on your children's or your bigger ones. If they like too spicy, you can add more or less. If salt, red chili powder, turmeric powder. This is a spice mix, garam masala. Now let's start to cut this all vegetables. I have cut all the vegetables into pieces. I am showing you into very small pieces. You must cut the vegetables into small like this pieces. Now tomato in very small pieces, onion, chilies. Here I am going to give you a trick. Here I am going to give you a trick. When we cut onion from side like this, it takes a very much time to cook. But if we cut onions from start to end like this is a difference. This is side cutting, this is from start cutting. This type of cutting, onion can easily cook. Onion can easily cook in vegetables. So always cut from start. When you use onion in vegetables, you cut from start. From side, you can use to cook eggs. When you cook egg, you can cut from side. Okay, now we start to cook. Let's start to cook. We cut it all Loki. We also add tomato, chili, pyaz, all spices. This is a lesson, PCV lesson. I forgot to tell you about this. That's why. Now this. Oil. I put oil into it, almost I think 2 to 5 big spoons. Now add half, or I think half से भी कम है, water into it. Now mix it well. Mix it. Now cover it and wait for some time to cook. Then after 5 minutes, every 5 minutes you have to mix it. Now let's check. पूरी सालन ने पानी निकाल दिया है, देखिए. Leave it for few 5 minutes. Let's take it. See, पूरी सालन ने पानी निकाल लिया है. We leave it for few minutes. We leave it for further for few minutes. Let's take it after 15 minutes. अब हमें इसे अच्छे से भूनना है. अब इसे हमें अच्छे से भूनना है. This is only 5 to 10 minutes hard work. इसको अच्छे से भुनने में 5 से 10 मिनट हार्ड वर्क है, but the taste will be must try. Inshallah, your kids like this. I think it almost finished. Now you can use in the end some corianders, means dhania. You can use. I have not present today, so I'm not using, but you can final it with using corianders. Loki is very beneficial for everyone, for elders, youngers. लौकी में बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदे हैं. अगर आपके बच्चे लौकी खाना शुरू कर लेंगे तो इट्स बेटर देन जंक फूड. सो मस्ट ट्राई दिस. Now I cover it and keep it on low flame for further 5 minutes so that all things can mix. Hope you like my recipe. of this Lowki. We will enjoy this Lowki with rice. You also try this at your home. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.